Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Afshan Sari. I'm a math teacher as you know. Hope you all are good, healthy and fit at your home. So as you know students, now the pandemic will again come. So now we will take our online classes again. So in online classes what you will do the same thing, but here we are using both things, means copies and books. And one more thing, that whenever I will give you the book work, then I will show the book page number on the board. So there is no misunderstanding. And whenever I will give you the copy work, so I will mention here for copy work. Okay. So now today's topic I am going to tell you. Which one topic I am going to tell you? Look at here everyone. So firstly I want to tell you the date. Today is 26, the month is 7 and the year is 2021. And what you will do over here, आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Cause in the classes you were writing CW. आप class में क्या लिखते हैं? CW means class work. But now here we are taking your online classes. So you will write the first word of online and the first word of class. It means OC, online class. Alright. So this is for class 2. Okay. So the question is that count and write, then draw beads on the abacus. आपने क्या करना है? आपने काउंट करना है और फिर ड्रॉ करना है, लिखना है. बीट्स आपने ड्रॉ करने हैं अबाकस में. अबाकस कहाँ है? दिस वन इज द अबाकस. I was giving you the explanation about tens and ones, and after that 100 and tens and ones. This is the review of this page. टीचर आपको एक दफ़ा रिव्यू दे रही है. Which one page? It was the page number 8. Page number 08. I am going to revise it, this one page for explanation. टीचर अभी ये पेज को रिपीट कर रही है for explanation. Cause here all the things are here. Cause this one जो कि 100 काउंट होते हैं. This one we need to write all the things. This one is ones and this one is the abacus. आपने abacus में क्या करना है? Beads draw करने हैं. One example is here. Now I am going to tell you. Question number A is one box was there. This one box was there and these three box. Now we will give these title 100, tens and ones. जैसे हमने tens और ones sort out करा था, उसके बाद हमने 100 and tens ones करा था. Same thing I am repeating over here. How many boxes are here in 100? 100 में कितने boxes हैं ये वाले? Just one. So we will write 1 in 100. हम 1 कहाँ लिखेंगे? 100 में. After that, how many tens are here? कितने tens हैं यहाँ पे? Just 1. You will write 1 in a tens. आपने 1 कहाँ लिख दिया? Tens में. Now you will check ones. 1, 2, 3. How many ones are here? 3. कितने ones हैं यहाँ पे? 1, 2, 3. So you need to write 3. अच्छा अब आपने ये इस तरीके से वैल्यू तो दे दी. You have done like that. 100, 1, tens, 1, ones, 3. Okay. Now one abacus is here. So we need to give the beads over here. What they will say? You need to count, write the numbers and draw the beads. We have done. We have count these. Then we have write these. Now we need to draw the beads on abacus. हमने abacus में क्या करना है? Beads को draw करना है. If 1 in 100, so 100. अच्छा ये हमें यहाँ पे headings देते हैं. Like 100, tens, ones. आपने यहाँ कौन सी value लिखनी है? 100 की. And in one, this one, tens. And last one, ones. Cause the first word is there. Alright. So we have done the written work. अब हमने written भी कर लिया. Count first we have done, written work we have done. Now over here what you will do? You need to make the beads. Look, 100 was here. They make 1. In tens, 1 was there. They make 1 bead here. If ones is 3, so they make 3 ones here. Got it? आपने abacus में वो उतने ही beads बनाने हैं जितने यहाँ पर आपने count करके return करे थे. Alright? After this, what you will do? You need to complete this one. In B, you need to check how many hundreds are here. Just only 100 is here. You need to write 1 in 100. Now you need to check tens. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3. So you need to write 3 in tens. आप ये 3 कहाँ लिखेंगे? Tens में. Now you need to check ones. How many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to write 7 in ones. आप ये 7 कहाँ लिखेंगे? Ones में. Now you need to draw the beads. Now counting has done. यहाँ क्वेश्चन में क्या था? First counting and then writing the numbers, and after that you need to कंप्लीट द abacus with the beads. आपने beads बनाने हैं इसमें. In 100 how many? 1. In tens how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Or in ones how many beads you will make? 7. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Now what you have done on this? You need to write in together like 1, 3, 7. It will be together like that. Done? Now same formula you will apply over here on on question number C. How many hundreds? Over here just 1 was there. Now here 1, 2. You need to write 2 in hundreds. Count tens. How many? Just 1. You need to write 1 in tens. How many ones are here? 1, 2. You need to write 2 in ones. Done? Counting done, written work done. Now you need to make the beads in abacus. आपने abacus में beads बनाने according to that. Check 100. How many? 2. You need to make 1, 2. Done? Now check tens. Only 1 is there. You need to make 1 bead. In ones, how many? 2. You need to make 2 beads. Done? It's done. Now you need to write this thing in together. Alright? So this formula or this technique you will apply on other pages. Which one pages? You will do these pages. Page number 8, you can check it. Page number 9, page number 10 and page number 11. You need to do this one work. 8 we have done. 8 हमने कर लिया था. This is from page number 8. ये exercise जो है page number 8 की है. This is the preview और explanation. Cause explanation इसलिए इस page से ली गई है. Cause we have counting phase, we have number phase and we have abacus phase. हमारे पास ये तीनों phases page number 8 पर together थे. That's why I explain it right now. Alright. So you need to do the page number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Alright. So this is the topic. You will just follow this one instructions. Date must be there on in every page. Or one more thing, that if you will complete your work, or you must have to complete your work on the time, or you will submit your copies on the time, otherwise you will deduct your marks. आपके marks हम deduct करेंगे cause if you are not submitting, अगर आप copy submit नहीं करवाएंगे for checking the work. Okay, so be punctual to complete your work or to submitting your copies. Already one. So inshallah we will meet soon with our new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.